I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow base all over the lid in the shade of Jouer, and what is left in the brush, I'm gonna apply in the lower lash. For this look, I'm gonna use the Ultimate Neutrals palette by Beige. Shadow in the other corner of my eyes, blending to my crease. To be my transition shade. Now, using a smaller blending brush, I'm gonna apply the and now I'm gonna apply the same shades in the lower lash. And now to create the shape of my cut crease, I'm gonna use this liquid concealer by MAC. I really love this concealer. On top of the concealer, I'm gonna apply a base, and this is from the Lavish blush. It's so cute, so I'm gonna apply just a little in my skin in the past video that I posted. And now I'm gonna apply the highlighter Grace by Jouer Cosmetics eyeliner. And to apply this highlighter, I'm gonna use the high cheekbone brush by Sigma. Finish off my makeup look, I'm gonna mix these two liquid lipsticks together. This one is Aphrodite by Jouer. And that's it, my lovies, for this look. I really hope that you enjoyed. Look at this.